Maximize your gardening dollar this year. Here are some examples. These are all rosemary plants. All will create absolutely glorious rosemaries in your garden. For the price of, say, a coffee, you've got 70 seeds. You can start from seed. It will take a long time. You'll get the maximum number of plants. For about a coffee and a donut, we have this beautiful 4-inch rosemary. It will get established relatively quickly, but you'll have to take a little bit of time. You have this beautiful 3-gallon, well-established rosemary. This is the price of a meal out. There are always options. It's just a matter of time and commitment that you want to put into a plant. That same example holds true with many plants like conifers. This is Cole's prostrate hemlock. Beautiful weeping hemlock. All 3 of them are beautiful. This small one just takes a little bit more time, a little bit more TLC to get started in your garden. All will create beautiful plants. Same principle holds true with deciduous trees. Start a little bit smaller, spend a little bit more effort, and you will have a gorgeous tree. No matter whether you start from seed or start from a larger plant, you will have an absolutely gorgeous garden if you plan and time correctly. Start earlier in the season for best selection.